Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles, and today I have those beautiful hairstyles for African American women. And one thing with the styles is that they are versatile, impressive hairstyles that is everywhere, and this style is that kind of haircut that will make you look so beautiful. So there are many fantastic stylish hairstyles for your short hair, and today in Wendy Styles we have about 20 of the classiest short hairstyles that will make you look beautiful, and they will protect the delicate structure of your hair from the elements and loss of moisture. One thing about the styles today is that you can see how they add that extra volume, and you can see how the hair look fancy whether you wear them loose or even in elegant updos. Because one thing with the styles on the screen is that exquisite and eye-catchy haircut that never goes out of fashion. Take a good look on this hairstyle. Is perfect for beautiful African American who are open to bold solutions and extravagant haircuts. So if you're really searching for hairstyles which make a stake on outstanding textures, this haircut is an excellent idea, because you can see how it's an easy natural hairstyle for short hair that African American women can use to achieve full coils, and it's that kind of style for the fashionistas that want to be natural. The style is easy to maintain. It can even be slept on even without messing up the coil pattern. So you can see how this coil is so beautiful. So one thing about this cut today is an edgeless haircut that really fits all face shape. If it's the first time on this channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Let us know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. God bless you guys. Please stay locked to Wendy Styles for more beautiful short haircuts coming your way in the next few hours. Bye for now.
I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your trololo, my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us all top, I used to do it in the morning. I am up for my I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple by your trololo, my body won't is true. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us all top, I used to do it in the morning. I am up for my I get got my cocoa, what do you? I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you are trololo, my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so happy. I was still waiting in my mind. I am a polyman. I'm feeling your ocean no more. Couple about you are trololo, my body won't need suru. If Jackie up your feet, my baby, I feel to get us so happy. I was still waiting in my mind. I am a polyman.